Okay, so this is lesson 110, interpreting a pictograph, and it's on page 18A, Everyday Math, for grade 3. So this says the number of fish caught at Clear Lake. The number of fish caught at Clear Lake. And you can see there's names down the side. So when we look at this pictograph, we see there was Beth, and Maria, and Amy, and Max, and Chen, and Bill. Okay, all of those kids were at Clear Lake, and they caught some fish. Alright, and a pictograph is really cool because it shows us in pictures what happened at the lake. Okay, so if you look at this pictograph, you can see who caught a lot of fish. And I want everybody looking right up at the pictograph, not down in your own book, please. Right up at the pictograph. Okay, that will show you while I'm pointing to it. So, give me a thumbs up if you can see who caught a lot of fish on this pictograph. Give me a thumbs up if you can see that. Okay, so you gotta have to look right at the pictograph to see whose name has a lot of fish beside it. All right, give me a all right, put your hands down, please. Give me a thumbs up if you can see who didn't catch very many fish at all. Okay, good. All right, give me a thumbs up if you can see who caught 4 fish. Okay, show me with your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many people caught 4 fish. Show me with your fingers, please. How many people caught 4 fish? This is the answer. The answer is 2. Okay, because, look, Max and Chen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both of these people caught only 4 fish. Oh! Right, good. Very good. We got to check out the key. We got to check out the key. So these people had 4 pictures, but they didn't catch 4 fish, did they? How many did these catch? Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers. You're going to need 2 hands for this one. You're going to need 2 hands. Okay, each of these fish equals 2 fish. Show me with your hands. Very good. Good. Nice catch. You guys are really sharp readers. Good job. So you've always got to read it, too. We've got to check out our key. I don't want to forget that. My goodness. Okay, so show me with your hands. Now, again, how many people caught 4 fish? Very good. If you said 1, if you said 1 person, Maria, she caught 4 fish. Look, 2 plus 2 is 4. Or you could say 2 times 2 is also 4. Okay, 2 times. So you're going to have to answer some questions about these folks. So let's do the first one together. How many fish did Amy catch? The first thing we do is we find Amy's name on here. Find Amy's name. Now there's 1 fish picture beside Amy's name. Okay, and we already decided, because we read in the key, that 1 fish picture equals 2 fish. So show me with your fingers, how many fish did Amy catch? Okay, if you're showing me 2 fingers, you would be correct. She caught 2 fish. Okay, I'll do one more that's not on here. How many fish did Maria catch? Show me with your fingers. How many fish did Maria catch? I'm looking for fingers when you have the answer. How many fish did Maria catch? Okay, so hopefully you noticed there were 2 fish pictures, which means each of these pictures is 2 fish. And if you have trouble remembering that each of these is 2, you could draw the number 2 inside that fish, like that. Or you could just draw 2 little fishies, okay, beside each one. Draw 2 little tiny fishies beside each one, if that helps you remember. Okay, but you've got to remember that each one of these is 2. I didn't read it carefully at first either, remember? So then I was just going to count. All right, but thanks to some sharp readers of graphs in here, you guys picked that right up. Okay, so it's real important to read that and remind yourself if you think you'll forget. And we've got number 4. Who caught the greatest number of fish? Remember, greatest means most. Okay, number 5. Who caught the least number of fish? Remember, least means the less. The less, okay? The lowest. How many more fish did Bill catch than Maria? So you have to figure out how many Bill caught, how many Maria caught, and do a little bit of subtraction there. How many fish did Max and Bill catch together? Gotta figure out how many Max caught, how many Bill caught, and then add it up together. And then did the girls, and the girls are these people, Beth, Maria, and Amy, or the boys, Max, Chen, and Bill, catch more fish? And you have to explain your answer. And when you explain your answer, I would like complete sentences, please. Don't just write girls. Boys. Okay, and it says explain your answer. So you have to say, it was the girls because, and then say why. It was the boys because, and then you say why. Okay, so you got to write a nice complete sentence. I want a capital letter at the beginning, periods at the end. Okay, and this is page 18A in Everyday Math.